has come to hang up all of the dresses that I decided to keep. We're gonna color coordinate them. Here we go. I think I wanna start with white, brown, black, and then colors. Oh my gosh. Okay, and I'm gonna move you guys closer. White dresses first. Everyone's in the comments telling me that I need to get fancier hangers. I've spent enough money on this closet, and believe it or not, I love these Target hangers. They're perfect. There's nothing wrong with them. I also cannot believe how much you guys are liking this closet content. Out of all the cool travel stuff that I post, and what I think to be really cool stuff, my closet is what you guys like the most. I tend to wear neutrals the most. That's why I'm doing neutrals first, and then I'll move on to the colors. These ones are obviously easier to see. I also know that I'm not facing them all the same way. It just doesn't really matter to me in my brain. I would say I'm pretty type B, but I do like my stuff to be clean and organized. It just doesn't need to be perfect. We're gonna move on to colors. I'm also planning a really fun giveaway when I hit 30,000 followers, and we are very, very, very close. So make sure you stay tuned for that. I missed a brown one. Okay, that completes all the dresses. I think that we'll go ahead and go through my shirts next. We also have long dresses, two-piece sets, sneakers, sandals, cowgirl boots, sweatpants, trucker hats, purses, and workout sets. So this series isn't stopping anytime soon. Let me know what you guys want to see next. And as always, thanks for hanging out with me in my closet. Until next time, bye guys.